Investing is not just to make money. Investing is done for a noble cause. Hear me out. We live in a globalized economy where companies all around the world compete with Indian companies. Because we have free market, we have democracy, and most importantly, we are one of the fastest growing large economies on the planet. India is growing fast. Our standard of living will rise, and so does our cost of living. You all might have already felt the heat of inflation. So it is our responsibility to not only take care of ourselves and our dear ones, but it is also our responsibility to take care of our future self. In this sense, our retirement. Become an asset to your family, to your surroundings, and towards your country by planning your retirement at a young age and invest accordingly. You may be unaware of investing, lack of knowledge or experience regarding Indian equity market, and that's why we have mutual fund investing. Hello everyone, I'm Rakshit Pai, and in this video I'll explain everything you need to know about mutual fund investing. For detailed information, check this link in the description. I have written an article on mutual fund investing. Let's get right into the topic. What is mutual fund? Imagine investing in a basket of companies. It's like investing in many large, well-established companies in India. Now imagine someone else doing this for you. A professional will invest in worthy companies for you, and you just have to keep up with the payment. That is what we call mutual fund investing. It's all about a mutual fund, which is a professionally managed investment fund that pools money from various investors to purchase securities. When the said professional does the service of investing on your behalf, he'll take a fee, and we call it expense ratio. Types of mutual fund. Basically, there are many types of mutual funds, and here we are talking about the top 5 well-known mutual funds, and they are as such. Number 1, index funds. They invest in the entire index of the market. For example, investing in the Nifty 50, the Sensex 30 based indexes. Check this article. Our second fund is global fund. This mutual fund will invest in global companies. For example, Motilal Oswal Nasdaq Mutual Fund, which invest in Nasdaq USA. Our third option is balanced funds. This is where mutual fund balances your portfolio by investing in various assets such as stocks, bonds, money market instruments, etc. Our fourth option is specialty funds. Mutual fund specifically concentrating on any one industry or sector that comes under specialty funds. They can also be based on themes such as investing in multiple sectors on a percentage basis, or investing in small cap, mid cap and such. And our last and today's topic of discussion, it's equity fund. These are mutual fund based on common equity investing. Equity funds invest in stocks. They are the most favored type of mutual fund. A professional fund manager, as per his or her expertise, will manage an equity fund that invests in a wide variety of Indian equity market. Why mutual fund investing? Investing in mutual fund will offer diversification. They are highly liquid investments that can be started with as low as 100 rupees, and they are professionally managed. Although you may have to spare some of your gains as management fees, the end result, that is investing in a consistent period of interval, will most certainly benefit you as an investor. The best way to approach mutual fund investing is via SIP, which is Systematic Investment Plan. Check this video to know more. What is FIRE principle? Financial independence, retire early. FIRE is a financial movement defined by frugality, extreme savings and investment. Under the FIRE movement, we must save and invest aggressively in a well-managed instrument like a mutual fund. The logic is simple. Invest and build a large investment portfolio, so large that even if you withdraw 4% of these investments every year to meet your expenses, for as long as you live, your investment must sustain your expenses and give you retirement worthy life. For example, suppose your monthly expense is rupees 50,000. You must have rupees 1.5 crore worth of investment, so that even if you withdraw rupees 50,000 per month or 6 lakh per year as your usual consumption expenses, your investment should take care of it, so you can have retired life. With this 4% rule, you will be able to withdraw the same amount almost forever, because your investments are in mutual funds. The fund is professionally managed and is in Indian equity market, which has a track record of performing well over time. Conclusion: if you wish to know more about mutual fund investing, check this article, link in the description. To conclude this video, I'll say this: if you are not aware of investing, that is the basic of investing, how to invest or where to invest, but if you are sure that investing is one of the best way to attain wealth, then please do not wait further. Do not waste any more time. Select a good mutual fund and keep investing as aggressively as possible. In my coming videos, I'll explain how to pick a mutual fund and which mutual fund to choose for long-term investment. Until then, like, share and subscribe to the channel. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.